Let me attempt to demonstrate the point group and visualize the symmetry elements in Winmo star for ethylene molecule here. So I have my Winmo star software. I just select carbon since I'm going to draw the ethylene molecule. I click the add atom icon and I just click on the screen. Again I click it. Yes, 2 carbons for ethylene is ready now. I need to connect them, so use the add or change bond. So you can use F7 key also to connect. Okay, then again I click there and I get a double bond. You can see the line over there, right? See the line, that is the double bond. And I click plus hydrogen. Okay, and I just click over here, then I get 2 hydrogen. Click 2 times so that you will get 2 hydrogens added. Okay, if you click only once, you will get only 1 hydrogen added. We know ethylene as CH2. Now I do optimize. See, quick optimize. I just click there and you see energy minimization will take place and the molecule is in its most stable geometry. And now I go to tools, click point group analysis. Very simple. You can go tools, point group analysis. See, you can find all the data which are available, which will be displayed over here, all your symmetry elements, and you can get the accuracy. I'll give high accuracy, and if I click analyze, yes, you see all your Cartesian coordinate is ready here and all your symmetry elements is displayed. Now I'll just deselect all. So it's not nice to see like that. No, I'll deselect all and I just visualize one by one. See, you see they are using Schoenflies notation as we saw earlier, right? So the point group is D2H. Yeah, for ethylene molecule the point group is D2H using Schoenflies notation. I just click I, it is 0, 0, 0 coordinate, so it's not showing. And see the CN axis, wow, C2 axis is present. You see it is shown here. We have totally 3 C2 axis for ethylene molecule, right? See, one more C2 and see the third C2. So you can visualize it very clearly, right? So this can be done only with Winmo star and not with MOPAC. Okay, with MOPAC you can only find point group, not visualize it. It does not have alternate axis of symmetry, but we have 3 mirror planes. See sigma V1. Yeah, we have sigma V1. Then we have sigma V2. Yes. Then we have sigma V3. Wow, see, you can visualize all the symmetry elements which has been operated in the molecule, right? Okay, let's try for a water molecule, a very simple molecule. I select oxygen atom and I click add atom icon. I just click on the screen. I get the oxygen atom there and I go to add hydrogen. I just click and I get the water molecule. You can zoom it so that you will have a clear picture and you give optimize, quick optimize icon. So your molecule has attained the stable geometry now, and now you have to go to the tools, click point group analysis, the same procedure. Yes, you give the accuracy as high and you click analyze. See, using Schoenflies notation, it is C2V point group which has been determined and everything is being displayed over here in the screen. You can see it. And you just click deselect all and all has been deselected. And now I'll just analyze one by one. Okay. So there is no center of symmetry in water, so leave it. We have CN. We have one C2 axis. So you can see it is passing through the oxygen atom. And no alternate axis of symmetry, leave it. We have 2 mirror planes. Sigma V1 is displayed over here. Yeah, you can see it. Then you have the sigma V2. Yes, so only we have 3 symmetry elements in water molecule with a C2V point group which is displayed over here. Thank you.